Laptop Motherboard Manufacturing Company. Loction Oragadam Chennai. Gender male female. Age limit 18 முதல் 30 வரை. Qualifications 10th, 12th, 80, Diploma, B, any degree, pass fail. Weekly 5 days working day. Saturday, Sunday week off. Depertment. Production. Quality. Maintenance. Warehouse. Freshers experience. To shift, 8 hours duty. 1 cent shift 7 am 5 pm. 2 ND shift 5 pm 3 am. Salary, 17,500. Overtime. Benefits. ESI, PF, Bouns. Shift time food provide. Cab route Arcot, Cheyyar, Walaja, Thiruporur, Chenglpattu, Poonamallee, Kaveripakkam, Panapakkam, Kanchipuram, Pallavaram, Thiruvallur, Pallikarani. Contact 9791287556 902591515190.